Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you an engineering graduate or about to graduate? Then listen up because today we're talking about a huge opportunity, Wipro's Elite Off Campus 2024 hiring initiative. Let's get into it. Wipro is on the lookout for the best fresh engineering talent across India for their project engineer role. This is your chance to join a global IT leader. So here's what you need to know. First, let's go over the eligibility criteria. You need at least 60% in both your 10th and 12th exams. For your graduation, a minimum of 60% or CGPA of 6.0 is required. If you have one backlog, don't worry, just clear it before your 8th semester. No more than 3 years of the education gap, and your graduation should be completed within 4 years. Now, let's talk about the perks. The compensation for this role is INR 3.5 lakhs per annum, plus a bonus after 6 months of joining. There are also regular increments and bonuses after 18, 24, and 36 months. The selection process is straightforward. Round 1, an online assessment that includes an aptitude test, a written communication test, and a programming test. Choose between Java, C, C++, or Python. Round 2, a voice assessment to test your communication skills. Round 3, a business discussion to assess your problem-solving and interpersonal skills. If you're eligible and ready to jumpstart your career with Wipro, don't wait. Apply now. Head over to their official website and submit your application today. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more job opportunities. Best of luck with your application.